Another practice question of quadratic equations. This is the 99th question in the series. I will strongly urge you to go back and watch the previous videos. The link to the entire playlist is down there in the description for your reference. Let's start solving this one. The question says if the roots of the equation are c square minus ab x square minus 2 a square minus bc x plus b square minus ac equal to 0 are equal, the roots are equal, then prove that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. This is what we have to prove. Now remember that if the roots are equal, then for a standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx, I'm using capital alphabets because this equation, the given equation itself, has a lot of abc. So if the standard form of a quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the roots are equal if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Okay, for real and equal roots, we know that b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0, which is also the value of the discriminant, which is d. So let's look at the value of d for this equation. Okay, so the value of d will be b square minus 4ac. Now you see, what is the value of b? The value of b is minus 2 a square minus bc, minus of 2 a square minus bc. So this term will be minus 2 a square minus bc the whole square minus 4 times of a, which is c square minus ab, into c, which is b square minus ac. Okay, so this is the value of b square minus ac. Now let us simplify this and calculate this, and be very careful. There is a lot of negative, plus, minus, square, etc. So be very careful in doing the algebra. So this will be 4 times of a to the power of 4 plus of b to the power 2 c to the power 2 minus of 2 a square bc. Okay, and this d should be equal to 0. Okay, this should be equal to 0 because our condition itself is that if the roots are real and equal, then b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So this should be equal to 0. Okay, then minus of 4, and I'm opening the brackets here. This is c square b square minus of c cube a minus of a b cube plus of a square b c equal to 0. Okay, I can take the 4 out common and remove it completely. So this whole thing will become a to the power of 4 plus of b square c square minus 2a square bc minus 4 b square c, sorry, this 4 is gone now, so this will be minus of and this is exactly what I was saying, that you can make a mistake, so be very careful in the algebra. So this will be b square c square plus of ac cube plus of ab cube minus of a square bc is equal to 0. Okay, now will I be able to cancel something? So b square minus c square and b square minus c square gets cancelled, and there is a square bc here and there is a square bc here, so we can add that. So I get a to the power of 4, okay, and I get minus of 3 a square bc. So this is done, this is done. Then I have plus of ac cube plus of ab cube, and this whole thing is equal to 0. I take a out common here, and what I'm left with is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus of 3abc. Now you see, if the product of two terms is 0, then either this term is equal to 0 or this term is equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, we have actually satisfied one condition of the question, which is a is either equal to 0 or we have the other condition, which is this, which is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0, and this would mean a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay, these are the two conditions that we had to prove, and this is exactly what we have done. I hope you found the solution useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. In case you want me to solve any other questions for you, do put down your queries at the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description. Till then, keep working hard, keep practicing hard. Cheers and God bless.